Hi y'all, I'm Stephanie McBride and I have decades of experience working with essential oils and teaching expectant parents and birth professionals how to integrate them safely into pregnancy, labor, delivery, postpartum, and beyond. My clients tell me that using essential oils has completely uplifted their pregnancy and helped so much with common concerns such as nausea, labor pain, swollen ankles, sore back, concerns to do with nursing, and so much more. I've taken all of my experience and all of my research and compiled it into a book called Essential Oils for Maternal Wellness. And if you want to go a little deeper than that, I have an e-course of the same name, which can be taken as a professional for CEU credits or as a layperson. I wanted to know, when I was pregnant and reading through these tools myself, I wanted to know why. Why is it safe to use this? Why should I change the dosage? Why is this oil chosen over that oil, and what is it for? Are there precautions I need to take? What if I have a hospital birth? What if I am on medication? I really wanted to understand this thoroughly myself, and that's what I've done. I've put together the why. So if you want to look something up and really understand it for yourself, that's in there. If you want to just read straight through and get a really great introductory guide to using essential oils during maternity, that's in there. I've also have tons of experience as a functional nutritionist working with pregnancy, and I integrate nutrition into my resources as well. So I really hope that you use these tools. They're highly supportive. I train both midwives and lay people, and I have really enjoyed getting to be able to talk about this topic so that people can feel fully empowered to take care of themselves and the people who are actually in their care during this important, sensitive time of life. I also have spent a lot of time putting together and compiling free resources for you. So if you would like a ton of videos, recipes, resources about this topic through your inbox, you can sign up for my newsletter at dailynectaressentials.com. I look forward to meeting you all individually. I'm here to help and support you at every step of this mission, and I know this will change your experience with the whole birth process. Thanks so much for watching.